everyone, welcome back to my channel. So jumping right into today's hair tutorial, I'm starting off on filthy hair. My hair is absolutely dirty, but for today's wash and go, I will be using products by a brand called Nova Naturals. Now Nova Naturals is a fairly new natural hair care brand whose products are cruelty free and vegan friendly. Their products does not have any sulfates, parabens, silicones, mineral oils, synthetic colors, or animal testing. Starting with their sulfate free ultimate moisture shampoo, which says that you can use this shampoo to detangle your hair. However, I didn't. I just used it to cleanse, but this product does have a hint of glitter in it, which you can see here on my fingertips. And no, you don't see glitter all in your hair. What I will say is that a small amount of this shampoo does go a long way. I didn't realize shampoo was still being poured into my hair, but as you can see, it lathered up really well, and I used the shampoo on my scalp, cleansed my scalp really well, and I moved it all the way down the shaft of my hair because I had a lot of product build up from a previous wash and go, and I want to get all that product out my hair before I start a new fresh wash and go. One thing that I did realize when I was putting this shampoo in my hair, and I don't know if it was from the products that I had in my hair already because I'm not rinsing the shampoo out, but I did realize that my coils was really tight when using this product. I'm going to show you a close-up so you all can see what I'm talking about, but my curls was really tight. Like, look at them. My coils was really tight once you're using the shampoo. So like I said, I don't know if it was from the previous product that I had in my hair or it was this shampoo, but I never seen my curls look so tight after just a shampoo. That could be a good or a bad thing because I still need to detangle my hair. So next I'm using their Moisture Deep Conditioner, which is a very thin consistency. Just being honest, I wasn't really a fan of the smell, although it was very faint. It had a paste-like smell to it. And using this deep treatment, I really didn't feel the moisture in my hair. Now my hair did feel really soft, and I think that came from because my coils was so tight. I don't know why, but they was absolutely tight. So I just took a bulk of the deep treatment and applied it to my hair like this to help me loosen up these curls just a little bit. I am going to go in and detangle my hair, but I wanted to apply the deep treatment to soften it up first so that I'm not snagging any of my curls. And if you look closely, you can see how tight my curls are. And again, I don't know if it's from the previous products in combination with the shampoo, but that's what I was going through. I had to detangle those curls first. Using the deep treatment did soften my hair up enough where I was able to detangle some of the coils with my fingers. Also think that if I was applying the deep conditioner in the shower with my hair being soaking wet, I would have gotten a lot more moisture out of the product. As you all know or may have witnessed, my hair dries really quickly when there's no product in it, and of course we need water for deep conditioners and deep treatments to actually be activated to soften our hair up. It won't work on dry hair. So I did use my spray bottles to spray on my hair before applying the deep treatment to each sections to soften up my curls so I can detangle. So here you can see once I added more water to my hair, I was able to just use my fingers to detangle some of these coils with the deep conditioner. So after I was finished adding all the deep treatment to my hair, I used my good old Walmart bag to put on my hair. And yes, y'all know what I'm about to pull out next, because the back of this deep treatment says that you can let it sit in your hair for up to an hour without using any heat. So of course I needed to use me some heat because I wasn't going to wait an hour, and I brought out this, yes, I know y'all gonna talk about me, but I had to bring it out. I had nothing else to use. I got it propped up in a way that I could sit under it nice and neat. Y'all see, if y'all haven't seen my review, I will have it linked up in the cards above. So here you can see that my hair is very soft. It looks really soft, even though you still see my coils look fairly tight, but it's really soft to the touch. Next, I'm using the Curl Enhancing Milk. Now, this Curl Enhancing Milk has 2 butters in it, which gave my hair a lot of slip. It was very moisturizing. You can see how it's slipping down the palm of my hand. But once I applied this product to my hair, it felt very moisturizing, and I was able to comb through my hair without hitting any snags. It really moisturized my hair. I really like the Moisture Milk. So as you can see, I'm just using my brush to detangle my hair with ease, and it's gliding through my hair nice and well. It's not snagging any of my curls out or anything like that. It left my curls really nice and moisturized. Like, look at the texture of my hair. Bam! So to seal in all this moisture from using the moisture milk, I'm going in with the moisturizing styling gel. Now this styling gel is infused with argan oil and my hair absolutely loves argan oil. This gel actually smells like the aloe vera juice, which is in it as well. So I really like this gel. It was not sticky at all. I really like the consistency of it. It did not leave my hair feeling oily. The hold was pretty good. It wasn't like a hold that your hair felt hard, but it had my curls popping for a lot of days. I wore this wash and go for me going on almost 2 weeks, which is ridiculous, but I did. I wore it for almost 2 weeks. I really like the consistency of this gel because once I apply water over top of it, my curls tend to pop. Just look at them. They popping. Look at them. Look. I tend to get really pumped up when I see the products come together in my hair and work really well with my curls. So I really like this gel. It worked really good in my hair. When you're adding products to your hair, you can tell whether or not your wash and go is going to turn out nice. Just after you apply your last styler, you'll know. You'll see how your curls clump together or whether you have a lot of frizz. You can be able to tell. But here I'm just applying the gel to the root of my hair and working it down just to kind of tame the hair that's at the root. I don't want my roots to get really puffy. And this is how I get my hair to last me for a long time. And this is how my curls turned out once I was finished applying the gel to my entire hair. And it looks really nice, very defined. My hair was soft, not crunchy, and I really liked how it turned out so far. So this is something that I normally don't do, but for my final product, I'm going in with the edge tamer. Now, this edge tamer really had me by surprise. I really like this product. I was really surprised because of, look at the consistency of it. I'm not really too, how could I say this? I'm not really too used to using a lot of different edge tamers, but I never seen nothing in this type of consistency, and it worked amazing. Like, it laid my edges for days. I applied this to my hair, and another thing I want to say is that it did not flake up at all. So I'm definitely going to be using this, and I just wish it came in a larger bottle. But I had my hair, like I said, in this wash and go for almost 2 weeks, and I maybe used this edge tamer twice, and it laid my hair down the entire time. Like, look at it. Let me know in the comment section below if you have seen any edge tamer or edge gel that looks like this in this type of consistency. But it's like a soft paste. It's hard to explain, but you can see from the video that I put up, but it laid these edges. Girl, it laid them. So I'm just going to let my hair air dry, and I will be back to show you all the finished results. So don't laugh. I know some of you all is probably wondering why my hair is shaped like this, but it was raining outside, so I had to put my bonnet on and make it run. But I wanted just to show you the texture of my hair. Like, look at how defined my curls are. So I wanted to show you that just before I pluck my hair out so you can see. But because I put the gel at the roots of my hair was so tight. It was hard for me to use the pick on my hair, which this lets me know that my wash and go is going to last me for a long period of time. So I did not use any oil in my hair. I did not stretch my hair out at all. I'm just using my fingers to work it out and twisting my hair like this, you know, just shaking my hair up. I did snag one curl in the front, but it's cool. It's okay. I knew that my wash and go was going to last me for a long period of time, and that's what I needed because I was going to work and I didn't have time to be playing in my hair all week. So I really like the results. I really like how defined my curls look, how soft my hair is. It just looks bomb, and I really like it. Thank you so much to Nova Naturals for sending me these products to try out. If anybody is interested in trying out these products, I will have a link below to their website so you can check them out as well. But this is my hair. I wore this wash and go for 2 weeks, and after I loosened up the curls, this is how my hair turned out. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like what you saw, and I will see you in the next one.